Make a great choice today with 2021 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, FWD, remote trunk release, 4-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.